You get updated two ways. So one of the easiest ways you get your updates is through your email. So every 30 days, starting from the day you sign up, our system automatically sends you a detailed credit report showing your credit scores, showing what's negative on there, showing what's been done. You get a separate email showing everything that we're working on. So every account that's in dispute will be included in that email, so you know exactly what we're doing every single month. The second way to get updated is by logging into your online account that you created during the enrollment assessment whenever you signed up. So if you visit StirgusCreditRepair.com and come here to the home page, you simply click log in. Once you enter in your email, which is your username and your password that you created while you enrolled, you are going to come here to this home page. This is going to be your own customer account. So right here in the bottom left hand side, you're going to see a section that says scores. So starting from the day you signed up, your scores will input here, and then every 30 days they're going to start stacking. So every 30 days you're going to see the changes in your credit scores, how much they went up, how much they went down. Hopefully they don't go down, and you're paying your credit cards on time and paying your bills on time. But every 30 days you're going to see your credit score changes here. Right here in this section here where it says dispute status, all of your information from your credit reports is going to import here. So it's going to show how many positive accounts you have. It's going to show how many accounts that were deleted since you've been signed up, how many are currently in dispute. That means which accounts or how many accounts that we're currently working on. Negative accounts, updated accounts. Updated accounts means accounts with late payment history, and we were able to get the credit bureaus to remove those late payments. So those accounts were updated from negative to positive. If you click this button here, see detailed view, it's going to bring you over to a page that's going to show you exactly which accounts was deleted. And then if it was a collection account, it's going to show you how much was that collection account. So that's pretty helpful there. So all of your information regarding your credit scores and regarding your accounts is going to be right here in this section. If you are new and you're just getting started into this account, if you click this little plus sign here, you want to make sure all of this information is completed. If you're watching this video, then of course 9 times out of 10 you have already completed that during the enrollment assessment, and there's no more things that's left that says complete now. So the second thing you can do in this online account is send us a message directly from your account. So a lot of people call outside of business hours and they don't get in touch with anyone, or they send us an email with no subject line and they have no name or contact information in their email. So we have no idea who's emailing us, and sometimes it takes 2 or 3 attempts of replying to their email just to figure out who they are. So to avoid all of that, you can just send us a message through your online account. Your name is automatically going to be included in this, and then all of your account information is automatically going to attach. So we're going to see your credit scores, we're going to see all of your deletions, we're going to see exactly what you're talking about before we even read your message. So you can submit that information there and go back and you can see all of your previous messages. If you come over here to the credit info tab, you're going to read up on some information regarding how credit works. Usually our website kind of answers all of those questions, but if you're bored, feel free to kind of scroll through there. This settings tab is very important. So of course, by now, you know we use a separate company called Smart Credit to import your credit scores and credit reports. Without Smart Credit, we can't see anything. So this is the page that you're going to use to make sure all of your Smart Credit login information is updated and correct. So for example, your username is automatically your email address. Let me go ahead and swap that to Smart Credit. And then your password, you want to make sure this password matches exactly how it is on Smart Credit. So for example, if I had a Smart Credit account and I changed the password today, but I don't come to StirgusCreditRepair.com and log into my account and update it in here, Stirgus Credit Repair cannot import the scores from Smart Credit because the login information is going to be incorrect. So on our side, our system electronically import all of your credit data from Smart Credit into our system and into your customer account here, so that you don't have to do anything. We don't have to do anything. It automatically does it for us. If your password for Smart Credit in here is wrong, our system cannot automatically import that. So that's why it's very important, if you update or change your password with Smart Credit, be sure to log into your account and update it here, or simply just send us an email and say, hey, or a message and say, hey, I changed the password to Smart Credit. Here's my new password for Smart Credit, and we will update it for you. But outside of that, that is everything regarding the customer online account or customer portal, however way you want to say it. And that is all. It is very useful. And again, you don't have to use this due to our system automatically send you email updates every 30 days. This is just a more detailed view of how to look at what's going on throughout the credit repair process. And that is all. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.